only 10 months until the Bitcoin halving, and everybody and their dog knows that Bitcoin halving is a huge catalyst for an upcoming bull market, so we have to position ourselves accordingly. That's why in this video I will show you 3 crypto gems to buy in 2023, and today I actually decided to provide you with one super low cap altcoin that can basically make you stupid rich if it actually pops, one mid cap which still has ginormous potential but it's a lot safer, and one with a little bit bigger market cap but the upside potential is still insane, and you will see that by the strong price action of that coin during the bear market. But before I start talking about these coins, I want to clarify that I stand strong behind my thesis of going much lower from here and basically visiting the bottom again, or maybe even putting a lower low. And despite the fact that Bitcoin is showing strength here and bouncing off of this major support level, I think there is more pain to come simply because of the terrible macro that is nowhere near improving in the coming year or so. That's why I still think Bitcoin will eventually head back down and break through these supports, and it's only a matter of time. However, as I always say, you must have a bullish plan and a bearish plan. There is basically an even chance that I'm wrong and Bitcoin never goes below 25k, and that's why I think you should have some kind of exposure to the market either in Bitcoin or some fundamentally strong altcoins because of a possible bullish scenario playing out. Now I must say that this is what I'm gonna be doing, and I do not suggest anyone to invest or not. I'm not a financial advisor and nothing in this video is financial advice, nor it's being sponsored by any of these projects or anyone at all. I'm just sharing you my thoughts and my personal risk management and potential altcoin allocations. I want to make it clear that I personally don't have any exposure to these altcoins, and I'm planning to buy them eventually later this year or maybe even next year, it depends on what the market tells me. So with that out of the way, it's time to start with the first one on the list, and I'll begin with the lowest market cap coin, and that is BlockRem. BlockRem basically falls under the privacy category coins, which in my opinion, along with the AI, the metaverse and the crypto gaming, will be huge in the next bull market. BlockRem is a plugin for your crypto wallet that enables extra features such as the ability to request payments from other wallets, private cross-chain transactions, and MEV-bot protection, which can be very frustrating to be honest. And if you don't know what MEV-bot is, or MEV bot, that's basically a bot that takes advantage of the way blockchain transactions work and profits from other people's transactions by making them pay a little bit more of what they are supposed to pay. So the bot basically front runs your transaction, and that way he gets a better deal and makes a profit from you. And BlockRem aims to solve that, and they also support pretty much all the existing wallets and not just MetaMask. And even though this is very cool and it will save you money for sure, the main selling point of this project in my opinion is its private transactions feature, because that's one of the main selling points of crypto overall. Holding your own keys, be your own bank, transfer money within seconds, 7 days a week, and keep everything private. Now the blockchain is completely transparent and you can literally see every single transaction that is being made. So BlockRem can solve that by just connecting your MetaMask to their platform and basically making the transaction from there. Now I must point out that they claim that connecting your wallet to their platform doesn't hold any risk because they don't gain access to your assets and just simply serves as a front end with additional features for your wallet. BlockRem is not a wallet but just a plugin for your wallet, and it also supports at the moment 10 blockchains like Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, Avalanche, and etc. And while the cross-chain private transactions are already up and running, so you can actually send USDT on Ethereum and receive Matic on Polygon without using a bridge, they are currently working on private same-chain transactions as well as name tags for sending and receiving crypto, which is similar to Ethereum name services. So the project is pretty cool and it has very strong fundamentals and its future is bright in my opinion, if the devs actually deliver. And I'm not sure if you watched my video from a few months ago where I talk about OXO, another project in the privacy category that has also AI involved and some other features, but they both are very similar. And I made this video around 25th or 26th of April when the price was around 2 cents, and in less than a month it went all the way up to 10 cents, making very decent returns for the people who invested, and it currently sits at around 2x from that point, so it was definitely a good call. But the point of making these videos is not to jump on every single project I mention on my videos, but to show you projects that truly have amazing upside potential because they have solid fundamentals. Plus now is not a good time to invest in my personal opinion, so I decided to show you BlockRem now because OXO currently sits at around $40 million market cap, which is not super high. It can definitely make 100x even from this point, but BlockRem has a much lower market cap and the upside potential is definitely a lot bigger. The next one on the list, which is the mid-cap altcoin that I picked, is Tomo Chain. Tomo Chain might seem like just another chain that aims to solve Ethereum's scalability and high gas fees issues, but what actually impressed me in this project is this year's performance of the token. If you look at the chart, you will see how how strong of a move the Tomo Chain token did literally since the beginning of 2023. That's like 6 months constantly going up in this channel, making around 10x without any significant pullbacks, like we are in a bull market. This immediately caught my attention and I decided to share that coin with you because it might be a big winner in the next bull market. Obviously you don't want to buy it right now because it's extremely overbought, but I think it's worth adding it to your watch list. In terms of actual specs, Tomo Chain is actually doing pretty well with 2 seconds block time, less than a cent transaction cost and 2000 transactions per second. So I don't want to overcomplicate this project, explaining every little detail and probably get you confused, so I'll leave it at that. It's just a blockchain that supports a very high amount of transactions per second, it has very low block time, low fees, and it's highly decentralized with a built-in randomization mechanism. It showed a lot of strength in the past 6 months, and I think we will eventually revisit these lows here, which will be a very good time to get some exposure. The third and last project I want to talk about in this video, and the one with the highest market cap, which makes it much safer than the previous two, but the upside potential is still quite big, is Injective. Injective is a blockchain built for finance. It is an open, interoperable layer 1 blockchain powering next generation DeFi applications, including decentralized spot and derivatives exchanges, prediction markets, lending protocols, and more. Injective uniquely provides powerful core financial infrastructure primitives that applications can leverage, including a fully decentralized MEV-resistant on-chain order book. And you already know what MEV is, so you won't get trapped in paying more for your transactions. In addition, all forms of financial markets such as spot, perpetual, futures, and options are fully on-chain. The decentralized cross-chain bridging infrastructure is compatible with Ethereum, IBC-enabled blockchains, and non-AVM chains such as Solana. Injective also provides a next-generation, highly interoperable smart contract platform based on Cosmos with advanced interchain capabilities. Injective is custom-built with the Cosmos SDK and utilizes a Tendermint-based proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, providing instant transaction finality with over 10,000 transactions per second. The block time is less than 1 second, transactions are basically free, the chain is super good, and if the team continues to deliver, I can easily see this project within the top 10 or 20 crypto projects by market cap. The price performance is incredibly strong, and I think we can see 3 digits in the next bull market. The market cap, as I said, is quite high, it's more than $500 million right now, but a pullback to this support area is very possible, which is around 70% down from the current prices, and that will be a relatively safe bet with amazing upside potential for the upcoming bull market. The project is really good, and there is a reason to perform so well and sit at this high market cap right now. Even though now I think it's not a bad time to buy, considering what is coming next, I think pullbacks are most likely guaranteed, which will represent better buying opportunities, and that's when I will look for entries. As I already said, I do not own any of these coins, nor I get paid to promote them or anything like that. Nothing in this video is financial advice, and these are just my personal thoughts on projects that I think have good upside potential. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, you can watch the next one that popped up on the screen, and also subscribe to my channel if you don't want to miss any future ones. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.